wiki.ezvid.com. Search EasyVid Wiki before you decide. EasyVid presents the 10 best gaming personal computers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, usually known for their business computing products, Lenovo's Idea Center Y900 showcases the company's talent at building a capable gaming rig. The advanced K-series i7 processor and 450-watt power supply give you the option of upgrading if newer games start to drop frames. It includes an internal DVD read-write drive, however it is among the largest options reviewed, and its RX 480 GPU isn't the fastest. At number 9, a lot of users will appreciate that the Dell Inspiron 5675 comes with a central processor and GPU made by AMD, a long-time cult favorite over certain popular chip makers. Unlike some gaming PCs, this one has space to upgrade once the next-gen technology comes around. It's available with a Ryzen 5 or 7 CPU and is wireless AC ready for low ping times, but it's a hair slower than Intel-based rigs. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Velocity Microraptor Z55 is one of the most recent models we've reviewed, and it features some of the most modern internals. Its 8th generation Core i7 CPU and industry-leading GTX 1080 Ti will run virtually any game without breaking a sweat. It's equipped with an extremely capable Z370A motherboard, however it only includes a wireless N adapter, and it's not as flashy as most high-end units. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gaming personal computers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, one look at the MSI Aegis Ti3 SLI says a lot about the ridiculously powerful behemoth. The incredible firepower of dual GTX 1070 video cards processes floating point calculations at breakneck speed, delivering the highest resolution gaming in the land. It features a very aggressive case design and a multitude of ports for any setup, but it is among the most expensive out there. Moving up our list to number 6, the HP Omen X offers some serious firepower in a small package, including one of Intel's latest high-end i7 core processors. This option helps take your untethered virtual reality experience to the next level with its available backpack and portable battery packs. It includes a huge 1TB solid-state drive, however it doesn't include a headset, and dedicated VR accessories are pricey. Halfway up our list at number 5. With 11GB of DDR5, the Skytech Supremacy X has more dedicated video memory than most desktop computers have system RAM. In addition to its top-of-the-line components, it's stunningly beautiful thanks to its one-of-a-kind open-frame design. It boasts a custom water cooling system, a popular Z270X motherboard, and plenty of LED lights. At number 4, despite its affordability, the HP Pavilion Premium has the power to run almost any game at or near maximum settings. In addition, its compact size and powerful graphic card make it great for Ultra HD video playback at up to 8K resolution. It comes in at a very budget-friendly price, with internal Bluetooth and wireless AC, along with a wired keyboard and a mouse. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the iBuyPower Ultra is a great choice for gamers looking to run the latest titles but not interested in taking out a second mortgage. While it doesn't use the absolutely most recent chipsets, it has plenty of power to let you wipe out your enemies at 60 frames per second. It's 4K and virtual reality ready with a CPU that tops out at well over 4 GHz and 1 year of free hands-on tech support. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gaming personal computers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the CyberPower PC Extreme VR is an impressive collection of some of today's cutting-edge gaming hardware. From its late edition i7 8700K CPU to its lightning-fast GeForce 1080 Ti GPU, every part of this system is engineered for unmatched graphics quality and frame rates. It's a great price for such new equipment that includes 11GB of high-end GDDR5 video memory and a tempered glass viewing window. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Corsair One Pro is built by one of the industry leaders in solid-state memory manufacturing, so it's no surprise that it operates at a very high level. This small yet deceptively powerful model boots from a 480GB M2 format solid-state drive and has 2TB of hard drive storage. It features a liquid cooling system, a 7th generation Coffee Lake processor, and either 16GB standard or an optional 32GB of DDR4 RAM. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gaming personal computers, or simply click beneath this video.